the biggest nose blackhead? Extreme deep extraction. Something is hiding in this pore. At first, it looks like an ordinary blackhead. But this clogged pore appears darker and deeper than the surrounding ones. The question is simple: how much buildup is actually inside? Preparing the nose. Before extraction, the nose is gently cleansed and the surrounding skin is prepared. The goal is to clearly expose the clogged pore without aggressively irritating the skin. The first pressure, the extractor is carefully positioned around the blackhead. Gentle controlled pressure is applied, and the dark plug finally begins to move. It keeps coming. The first part of the blockage emerges, but the extraction isn't over. A longer compact plug continues to release from the same pore, revealing just how congested it had become. The pore is finally clear. After the stubborn buildup is removed, the same pore looks dramatically less congested. The surrounding skin remains naturally textured, creating a realistic transformation rather than an artificial poreless effect. But there's another one. Just beside the first cleaned pore sits another dark clogged pore. The extraction session isn't finished yet. Final nose transformation. After the second area is cleaned, the nose looks noticeably less congested. The final result shows what consistent and careful pore care can achieve without pretending that natural pores should completely disappear. Was this the biggest nose blackhead you've seen? If you enjoyed this extreme deep extraction, make sure to like, subscribe to Skin Remedian.